So, it's March, we're getting into that early spring period. It's no longer freezing, and you want to go out and fish. And everyone loves topwater. There's not a single angler who does not like topwater, at least getting topwater bites. And so I encourage you at the beginning of this spring season to throw a topwater, even though, you know, the bass aren't going to be hitting topwater as much as they would in the summer. Today, I'm going to teach you how to throw a spook, more specifically, a Zara Spook, a very classic lure. Get your Bill Dance hat on and I'll go over to the canal and teach you guys how to throw this bait. So, I got my Zara Spook all rigged up, and I am using, I have a leader just because I was fishing clear water the other day, but I'm using braid on a medium heavy. Got my Johnny Morris reel, and I'm going to show you how to walk the dog with this thing. So the good thing about this lure is that it'll cast a country mile. What you're going to do is when it lands, you're just going to twitch it, almost like a frog. You're just going to twitch it. And you're going to want to have some slack in that line. It's going to go back and forth. And make sure you stay consistent on how fast you twitch it. Now with all this wind, it's very difficult to do. And it takes away from the action. But regardless, you can still get it. And again, you're just casting it, letting it hit that water, and giving it light twitches. It works better when you have a little bit of slack in the line. You want that slack. And just watch the bait. Like I said, it's similar to a frog. Another thing I have to point out is that sometimes these clips will affect the action of your Zara Spook. My clips aren't too big, so it's not really affecting it that much. It's still walking the dog pretty easily. And you also want to make sure you're using mono or braid, that way your line is floating. You're just gonna, just like that, make sure you stay consistent. Like this, stay consistent. Don't want to jerk too hard, don't want to jerk too soft. Again, consistency is key. And as you can see, this is a very beat up lure. I've used it quite a bit. But I'll bring the camera in closer to show you how it works. Alright, now that you're close to the water, let me show you how it works. So you just want a little bit of slack. Just like that. Show you again. I hope this video helped you out with throwing a Zara Spook. Again, just keep slack, twitch, and make sure you have consistency. Those are the three key things. And sorry about the wind. It wasn't an ideal day to do this, but I hope this video helped you out.